So now we have to take a look at two graphs and determine which is the function, which is the derivative. Well, what we know about the first derivative is that it is negative when the function's decreasing, it's positive when the function's increasing, and when the function hits a maximum or a minimum, it crosses the x-axis. So let's just for a minute assume that function 1 is f of x, the original function. It's in a dotted line. I'm tracing it out in red, just a little easier to see. If we look at what that function is actually doing, that function is decreasing constantly. So that function is decreasing. That means that if 2 is going to be the derivative, it needs to be below the x-axis all the time. It's not. So 1 can't be the original function, 2 can't be the derivative. If we look at it the other way and treat function 2 as the original function, it's increasing from its left edge to this point. Function's increasing means its first derivative is positive. So if we look at function 1, yes, that function is positive up until that point. Likewise, function 2 starts decreasing here on the right side. When a function's decreasing, its first derivative will be negative below the x-axis, which is what we have right here. So what we know then is that f of x, the original function, is graph 2, and its derivative, I apologize for the mess, its derivative is graph 1.